Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is Simple Stamping Day. And what I want to show you is this is going to be a little creative thing. I want to show you how to make a stamp look like it's moving or it has moved, you know, like a horse running and you see the blur behind it. This is doing the snowman and its head fell off. So what we're going to be using today is we're going to use Snowman Season. I am going to use this is Real Red out of the Regals Stampin' Right markers, and this is Basic Black out of the Neutral Stampin' Right markers. Okay. And I am going to be using the Whisper White note card, okay? I mean, and this is fairly easy. So what I am going to, and you're going to have your simple chamois, your stamping chamois, because you need to really clean off the body so you don't get it all around. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am just going to, with the basic black marker, I'm going to do the bottom 2/3 of the snowman. I'm not going to do the head. I'll do that later. And then I am going to stamp that on the left-hand side. Now I'm just going to clean that off, okay? Really well, because you don't want it sitting there. Now what I'm going to do is, and it took me a little bit to figure this out, well, twice, which way to start rolling this. I'm going to end the head over here, but I want it to look like it's rolling like this, so I'll have to roll backwards. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to ink this up once, just the head portion with the basic black, okay? And then I'm going to start where it's supposed to end up, right like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it a little bit backwards. And there you go. It looks like it's rolling all the way. Now I really wish I had Heads Off to You, or, you know, Heads Will Roll or something like that for this, or but I am just going to hope this season brings you lots of memories or something like that, because it'd be a memory. We used to build snowmen and then try to kick, of course it was only two, try to kick the head off, you know. So, and there we go. Hope this season builds heartwarming memories. So remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything you need to make this card is listed below. Please, I'd appreciate it if you shop with me. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.